Hey, what's up guys? Billy with Side by Side Stuff. I'm here with Mike from Axia Alloys. Mike's going to show us one of the latest products available at Side by Side Stuff.
This is the Axia Alloys Convex billet 6-inch folding side mirror. Has all adjustable tension pivot points, so you can adjust on the fly. No ball holding on a side mirror, so you can hit sticks and trees. Doesn't move on you. You can really crank it down.
All right, thanks Mike. There you have it guys. You can find Axia Alloy products at sidebysidestuff.com.